For most international students, they're not allowed to get a job or to work until the last semester of college, which is a great disadvantage because when they actually try to find jobs after they graduate, they're not going to have any experience to put on their resume. So I think the person's name is Michaela. So they did, I'm imagining they are an international student, so they did provide some tips here. They said their suggestions are gonna be to join clubs, right? So this is one of the most important things you can do in college. If you're not able to get any internships or jobs or anything that you can use as experience, join clubs, right? So if you are uh, a finance major, right? Join the finance club or investment. I know in my college we had the investment society, which was a pretty good club to join. And once you join, don't just join and become part of the board, become uh, you know, get one of those leadership positions, right? That's gonna be something you add to your resume. If you are the treasurer or the whatever positions they have, just be involved, and that's also gonna allow you to network with other people, right? Another suggestion was join as many academic programs as you can. Also complete academic projects, do some volunteering work. Let's see here. Maintain a good GPA. Good luck. So one of the things here that they touched on was what is it? Completing academic projects. So sometimes if you are completing projects is going to be a great way to show how much you know about a topic. Working on those projects sometimes points you in the right direction. You find things you enjoy doing. If you're going to be doing a research paper for a month or a whole semester, right? You're gonna realize you're gonna find out if you like doing that or not. Just the subject itself.